Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, this is a Q60 Infinity S. They left this car in 4 bricks. So I'm going to show you guys what happens without the shock sensor add-on, why these cars are left in 4 bricks and the alarm doesn't fire off. I'm going to go ahead and illustrate that. I can bang on the car. I can bang all over the window. Nothing happens. So I'm going to get ready to install the shock sensor. And I'm going to show you guys that after the shock sensor is installed, what I just did to the car, it will fire off the alarm. Normally what happens is at night they come and they kick your tires and see if you have anything installed, because the last thing they want to do is put the bricks out and put their spread out and the thing goes off, and it's kind of hard to run away taking tools with them. So they want to make sure that you didn't address the issue, and those are the cars that are being targeted, the ones that haven't done anything about the rim theft. This is on a Q60. I'm going to go ahead and install a shock sensor and I'll be right back. Okay, we just completed the shock sensor install. Now you'll see the difference. Somebody tries to bust out any of the lock nut locks. Now the factory alarm fires off. In fact, when the car falls in the bricks, that will fire it off. When they try to retrieve the lug nut locks out, the ones that have the special key, they have to hammer in a smaller socket by pressure and retrieve it out. The kit, it is sold on Amazon. Anybody can get their hands on it, or on eBay. So yeah, it's no surprise that anybody will have that kit out there to remove lug nut locks, but it requires some banging to do. So the more banging, the better. My kit loves banging. So yeah, the lug nut locks are not going to stop anybody, but it will slow them down and it will cause them to have to do banging. So that banging is great for my shock sensor for the trigger. This shock sensor add-on to protect the rims and tire theft was installed here in Miami, Florida by our alarm specialist. And another thing that can be added to this vehicle is a cellular module, so when the alarm fires off anywhere in the United States or even out of the country, he'll receive a text message that the alarm is going off. We thank you for watching this video. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we do have free mobile service.